Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Make Your Wife Happy and Healthy. In today's episode, we're taking on an Eastern European dish that I learned from my time in Romania. It works really good with bread, pita, or any other kind of chips you might have around the house. So let's get cooking. Today we're going to make a Romanian dish called eggplant salad. When I first had it, I wasn't so thrilled, but once I put it on bread, wow, it just tasted wonderful. So let me show you how to make this Eastern European dish that is really tasty, especially if you like eggplant or baba ganoush. Here are the ingredients. 3 medium eggplants, 4 cloves of garlic, your favorite olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, bread for dipping. Pita bread works really well. First thing we're going to do is put the eggplant in the barbecue for about 30 minutes. There are other ways to prepare the eggplant, so you can see those in the description below. I got my eggplant right here. Just going to put them in, get them nice and soft and charred on the outside. We're going to turn them at about, 10-minute intervals. Ten minutes are up. Time to flip them over. Looks like I forgot a key step. Make sure you poke the eggplant first so they don't explode on you. To keep the third one from exploding, I'm going to poke it open with a fork. I think we can save it. If not, I'll at least show you how to peel them when they don't explode on the third one. Another 10 minutes have passed, so let's see how they're doing. Well, I cannot turn over the ones that have popped. I can turn over the one that didn't pop. Still a little too firm as I poke them, so I'm going to leave it for another 10 minutes and see how that is. Okay, that's about 30 minutes on the grill. Let's hopefully take them off. Let's make sure they're soft. You can see this one's really soft. That's exactly what you want. Now we're going to let them cool for a little bit before we peel off the peel. Don't forget to scrape off the grill and burn everything for about 10 minutes. The eggplant's been out for about 10 minutes. It's still warm but cool to the touch, so I think I can handle it. We are going to take off all the peel and put the rest of it into a bowl. You don't want the peel in your salad. So we're going to take off all the peel and put it into a bowl. You can use your hands. If it's cool enough, you can see it just kind of slides right off most of it. Still a little bit hot in our parts. Whoop. Do not get the peel in there. That won't taste as good, so I'm taking off as much peel as I can. Looking for more peel. Oh, there was some peel left over there. Let's get rid of that. But it still has a smoky flavor from all the charring. Now I'm going to do the others. If you would rather, instead of using your hands, use some sort of knife or utensil, you can. I'm going to do that with the next one, with the whole one. For the third one, I am going to use a knife of sorts. So I wanted to show you that I'm actually using a wooden spoon, wooden spatula. The reason why it's wooden is because the people in Romania believe that using a metal knife will damage the flavor of the eggplant. Oh, this one's really well done. You can see this is what you really want. It didn't explode, so it's much better. This one didn't explode, so this is the kind of consistency you want. Nice and easy peel to take off. So I'm going to use a wooden spatula to break up and smash it. Reason being, the Romanians believe that if you use metal with your eggplant that got roasted, it's going to change the flavor, not taste as good. So they use a wooden spatula. If you look online, you'll see that Romanians actually have a knife, specific wooden knife, just for this purpose, to make this dish. Take out some more peel. You're just going to mash it up. If it's mashing up really nicely, that's what you want. If it doesn't mash up, that means you didn't cook it long enough, and it should have been cooked longer for next time. Nice and mashed up, smash it really well, cut it up. So you want small pieces when you get to your bread, whatever you're going to put it on. So we're mashing this up. Again, it's wooden. I'm violently the Romanians on the wooden versus metal thing. So if you've ever had a soda, you know that it tastes different whether your soda was in a can or whether it was from a plastic bottle. The 2-liter soda or those 16-ounce soda bottles taste a lot different than a 12-ounce can. I prefer the can taste to the plastic taste. So I don't know how much different this would taste if you added the metal to it. But I'm not going to chance it. Let's just continue doing what the Romanians want. Okay, there we go. A nice, lovely baked eggplant just sitting in the bowl. Now that we've smashed up our eggplant really well, it's time to add the other ingredients. I'm going to use about a tablespoon and a half of oil. Like so, not very much. I'm going to add some garlic using my favorite method, the cheese grater. Other recipes, instead of using garlic, we'll use onion. The onion one tastes really good too. My family prefers garlic, so we're using garlic. And add salt and pepper to taste. My family likes a little bit more salt in this dish, so add some more. I don't know, that might be a teaspoon to a tablespoon, somewhere in there. And add a little bit of pepper. Stir it all up. And you have just made Romanian-style eggplant salad. Wonderful on bread, wonderful on pita. Especially a nice baguette or French loaf. Oh, tastes so good. A nice dip for warm, fresh baked bread or pita or any other kind of bread you'd like to put it on. Okay, I've cut up a little bit of pita bread. You gotta try it first before you serve to anybody else. So let me go ahead and give it a try. Let's see what I think. A smoky eggplant flavor. The garlic gives a little kick, a little bite. Overall, very nice flavor. My wife and I love the eggplant salad. My kids aren't so very fond of it, so let's see what they think.
Oh my god! Did you make this? Tastes so good! It's much better than the one we got in the restaurant because it's so fresh.
It tastes like vinegar to me. And why is it warm? It doesn't taste good to me,
Oh
so
my
give me
God, you can
guacamole.
taste the eggplant. Oh, my favorite vegetable in the world. Very good job.
The bread tastes pretty good, but the eggplant is my least favorite plant, and it's terrible.
Since you made it this far, how about throwing your mouse at the like button, just like my son and daughter threw away their eggplant salad? Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified of all my new videos on Mondays. Thanks for watching, and just to mess with people who didn't make it this far, use the word peppercorns in your comment below, and I'll include you in my weekly random drawing so you get a shout out in the next video. Have a happy and healthy day.